This is a bobbin winder rubber tire ring replacement for a lot of Singer and other sewing machines. I picked this up on Amazon. Works really well. This is an old Singer patcher and it's fairly straightforward to replace. As you can see, this one's kind of degraded. It's got cracks in it. So the ring looks a little small, but it's going to stretch to go around. So just remove the old tire ring. Stretch it on to fit, and you're ready to wind bobbins. That easy. I highly recommend these as a replacement for anyone that needs to replace a tire ring on their bobbin winder.